Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post market show. A zigzag movement in the market today. We saw Nifty opening almost flat. If you look at the charts, let's open up the Nifty's 15-minute chart, and this is the chart. So, Nifty, if you look at it, uh, it opened almost flat, then sharp red candles forming, and Nifty making a low at 18,591 around 10 a.m. in the morning, and then there was a sharp reversal almost touching the day's high, but then again a sell-off came, market fell again, it recovered from there, went very close to the previous high and closed somewhere in between that. So Nifty had again a pretty volatile day is what we saw, but on a close to close basis is ended absolutely flat at 0.03 percentage in the green. It's almost flat. And back Nifty on the other hand had a good day. Initial half an hour it fell till 9:45, but then there was a sharp reversal and it made continuously higher highs, and Bank Nifty is up considerably by 0.53 percentage, clearly bullish, all thanks to PSU Bank Index once again, and that is why Bank Nifty is up significantly. Coming to mid caps and small caps, both of them were up slightly by 0.2 and 0.3 percentage. So nothing major happened there. Talking about sectoral indices, again a mixed sectors is what we are seeing. Almost 1 2 3 4 5 sectors ending in the red, and the rest 6 sectors ending in the green is what we are seeing. Talking about the weakest sectors, we have Nifty IT falling by 0.5 percentage, that is considerable. Then we have Nifty Auto down by almost 0.3 percentage, and then Nifty Energy down by 0.36 percentage because Reliance fell significantly. Talking about the bullish sectors, definitely we have PSU Bank Index, which is again moving up. We were expecting a sell-off from here, but it did not happen. It is trying to move up with a good amount of strength is what we are seeing. And then it was Nifty Metals, again 1.87 percentage up. So Nifty Metals, we have discussed previously as well that this was the level we became bullish in Nifty Metals, and again we saw if you look at the rally, almost we could capture almost 5 to 6 percentage rally in Nifty Metal Index alone. So directly going to the stocks, again there is no doubt that the metal stocks are up. JSW still up by 1.8 percentage. Hindalco again a very good trade. We are up almost 4.36 percentage just today, and hope you capture a good momentum while it was going up. And Tata Steel up by 3.44 percentage. So that's again a very good rally. Sale also up by 1.56 percentage. So we talked about that this time it is all about the steel industries and metal industries, at least for the short term. As long as we see the momentum going happening in the Nifty metal sector, we will expect these stocks to perform well. Coming to PSU banks, Canara Bank did pretty well, 1.05 percentage up. State Bank of India, after consolidating, we were expecting slight bearish move, but it shot up today, ending with a good green candle, 1.6 percentage up. Indiabull Housing Finance, this is again not a large cap stock, but it is clearly breaking out from this level and trying to move up, 2.66 percentage up today. ONGC up by 2.02 percentage. Coal India up by 2.05 percentage, and then we have UPL up by 2.44 percentage. But UPL, the rally could be negated because of the way it is moving up. We expect some kind of consolidation, then a breakout would have been better, but let's see where it can go. So UPL is up, but again this is not a good place to go long in the stock is what I'd feel. Talking about negative sectors, we have Reliance Industries falling by 1.46 percentage, dragging Nifty along with it down. Then Tech Mahindra, again that is one day it is up, the next day it is down. Tech Mahindra down by 1.35 percentage up, bearish engulfing candle forming in the daily chart, which is again not a good sign. And then Tata Motors, we are seeing some kind of a breakdown happening from this level. So Tata Motors is looking slightly weak. These are some of the stocks. Talking about index movers, State Bank, Tata Steel, Hindalco, HDFC, ICICI Bank, HDFC, so HDFC Twins. So they are the top contributors on the positive side in Nifty, and on the negative side we have stocks like Axis Bank, Reliance, TCS, Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel. So these were some of the stocks which were negative today. So this is the stocks. And then talking about FII DII buying and selling activity, FIIs have sold for almost 1140 crore, DIIs have bought for 2600 crore. So DII is buying more than what FIIs have sold today, thereby the markets ending almost flat to slightly positive. Talking about economic calendar, we have the India's services PMI data coming out at 56.4 for the month of November, and expectation was 55.4, so that is better than expectation. And also a PMI data above 50 is always good for the market and good for the economy is what I'd say, and that is exactly what has happened. So this is all good. Indian economy is doing fine at present. Coming to US markets and the European counterparts. So European market, what we are seeing is the German index down by 0.5 percentage, French index down by 0.67 percentage, and if we talk about UK market, it is right now almost flat, 0.18 percentage up, but US market is looking particularly weak. So US market opened with a gap down, then tried to move up, but then sharp fall happening, 1.6 percentage down. Dow Jones, Nasdaq down by 1.6 percentage, continues to fall down, and S&P 500 down by 1.5 percentage, and again looking pretty bearish. And no wonder, US VIX has increased almost 7.6 percentage, but let's see where it ends. So 7 percentage increase in VIX. This is because of the way market has fallen in US market, and India VIX has also risen by 2.1 percentage today, thanks to the volatility in the Nifty throughout the day. And crude oil prices is coming down by 3.3 percentage down today. Crude oil is we expected it to take resistance around 84.5 levels, but it went as close as 83.3, and then it is falling once again. So let's see where it takes support. It should take support around 76 levels, because that was the last low which was made. So let's see what happens there. Gold is coming down slightly, but this is again a pullback in an uptrend, so don't think there's anything to worry about right now. Dollar index is moving up. It is up by 6.64%, and this happens when the equity markets are down, and so on and so forth. It's vice versa. So dollar index gaining strength, Indian rupee becoming weak, and we've expected it to come as low as 80.5, but the way things are, two good green candles, and now the resistance, once 81.9 is broken in USD we can expect it to move towards 82.2 and then 82.7. so right now we are in a bearish position, but the moment this stop loss is hit, we will reverse our positions. So that is what you can expect in USD right now. And talking about tomorrow's expiry, we have the Fin Nifty expiry, which happens every Tuesday, if you don't know. So that's there. So let's open up the 15-minute chart and see. So the levels we can talk about is, on the upside, I'm looking at 19,340, then 19,380, and then 19,420, and finally 19,480. So these are the levels I'll be watching out on the upside. On the downside, definitely 160 to 170 is a very good support, and below that 19,090, and finally 19,040 is what we expect for tomorrow's levels. Talking about Nifty, it is on an uptrend from today, but on a large trend from 1st December, it is actually in a downtrend. So we have to see if a triangle pattern is being found. We have to see if there's a breakout or breakdown from these levels. That has to be watched in Nifty. Back Nifty is again looking bullish, but we can expect it to consolidate further and then break out. So upside, the key resistance is 43,500. On the upside, downside, we have multiple resistance around. The first resistance should come around 43,160. Then today's low of 43,000. 43,000 is a round figure. We can expect buying happening when it falls to there. But in case 43,000 is broken and it closes below that, then we will look for bearishness in Bank Nifty in the coming days. So that is about that. And open interest wise, Nifty looking pretty weak. 0.67 is the put call ratio. 18,700 added huge amount of call build up. And Bank Nifty, if we look at it, Bank Nifty in fact became slightly bullish. Put call ratio is at 1.08, 43,000 adding a huge amount of open interest after the markets reversed from there and moved up. So people are expecting 43,000 to be held till this Thursday. So let's see, unless and until there's something really bad or US markets end significantly in the red, we don't think there should be much of a problem. And also the Gujarat elections are coming up on Thursday. Once again, it will be a very volatile day. So 8th of December is the date. Exit polls came out today, and it says that BJP is supposed to get a clear victory. So again, that is in line with expectation. But in case there is something, there's a change, or there's something else happens, then that can be a shock for the market, and the markets will react violently. Again, being an expiry date is already volatile, and this can make it even more volatile. So we have to watch out for that. But till then, since there is an election coming up, we will see the VIX rising, and until the event is done with. So that is exactly what is happening. Markets are going nowhere, but there's a lot of intraday volatility in the markets. So expect volatility in the next couple of days as well. So hope you have a good trading day tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and wish you a very good night.